Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to Dream Life channel and where we show people the tip. Yeah, it's connected. Our VPN is connected successfully. Now guys, the app will be provided for you all in the description below and also in our WhatsApp group. So I've connected to the US server. So to check whether it's connected successfully, we go to Chrome. And you type on the net to check my IP address. I'll check my IP address right now. So that as you can see, my IP address have been connected to the United States. I've been connected to the United States, as you can see, the United States successfully. But as you can see, guys, it's 90% this guy. How can I make it 100% this guy? Your IP must be 100% this guys. What it's making it not to be 100% that it's the time zone. I have to change my time zone to the New York time zone. As you can see, the zone slash local, the zone is America slash local, while the real time zone is Eastern time zone. So I'll be using the Eastern time zone, not the normal West African time zone. So what am I going to do right now is to go to setting and go to date and time. Just that date, locate your date and time. This is my date and time. You off automatic time zone, you off it, then you select time zone. I'll be using the Eastern time zone, which is about -5, -5. So I'll be looking for -5 Eastern time zone. This is Eastern time zone. I'll be using it. I've connected my phone to Eastern time zone, so I'll be using the New York slash America time zone right now. So go back to check how many percent this guy I am. Go back to Chrome, refresh the page. Guys, as you can see, it's 100%. It's 100% this guys right now. So we are able to go. We set to get the US number of our choice. So let's hop in business. Then now, what we'll do right now is to go to the Text Me app we just downloaded. This is my Text Me app. As you can see, this is the front end of the Text Me app. We need a US account. As you can see, guys, if you're not connected to the United States VPN, it won't show you create an account. Rather, it will show you sign up. It must show you create an account. If you're not connected to a United States VPN, it won't show you create an account. So we'll just go ahead and create an account. There are a lot of states in the United States of America. So we'll get a different. So we'll be selecting the number code we want to use. So today I'll be, for the sake of, let us just use the New York code number. You can use any code number in the United States of your choice, but I'm using the New York today. I can select use. As you can see, guys, New York have different number code. They have the 1718, 212, and 91. So I'll be using any one of them. Let us use 212. You click on change by 212. You go. As you can see, it's New York code. As you can see, New York. Then these are New York number. The New York number it was provided that it's a free number, guys. With this number you can use it to receive SMS and also calls. You can also use it to make calls. So you just select any number of your choice. You set up, put an email. You can use your original email or a fake email, any email of your choice, but email that you can remember. Let me put my email. Then you input your password. Then you select an age, any age of your choice. Then I'm a male. Then you click on register, guys. It's registering the number for you. It's registering the number for you. That's how to get a free United States number. Also, you guys are not going to pay a dime. You're not paying anybody. Guys, as you can see, this number has been given to us. Free voice and SMS. You can receive calls, make calls, and also receive messages. So right now, guys, as you can see, this is the screen. This is the welcome page. You allow anything, ask you just allow. So for today's tutorial, we'll be using this smartphone, a US WhatsApp. You need to open a US WhatsApp. So let us open a US WhatsApp with this number. Guys, let us confirm something. As you can see, active number. The number is active. This is my US number. I can give anybody this number to call me and it will go. I can use this number to call anybody and it will go. So I'll be using the business WhatsApp. I'll be opening my US WhatsApp on my business WhatsApp. Agree. Use a different number. I'm not more in Nigeria, I'm in the United States. Then put the number. Oh no, guys, this particular number have been banned from WhatsApp. As you can see, it has been banned from WhatsApp. Our pick was wrong. So what we're gonna do right now is to try and using another number. So guys, you just stay tuned. I go get another number. Okay guys, I'm back. I've gotten another number, another US number. That other one was banned from WhatsApp. I don't know why. But this one I've gotten it is a new one. So this number I got. The same procedure I used to get another number, as you can see. So what now? I want you to on business WhatsApp. I'll just click on next. As you can see, we will be verifying the phone number. So the phone number is working now. This one is working. So just go on and click OK. So in a short time, those okay. Let us try call me. Let's click on call me. Right now, WhatsApp give me a call on my new number. As you can see, guys, WhatsApp did not call me. I don't know why, but rather they dropped me a voicemail on my verification code. So I can use this voicemail to verify my WhatsApp. I don't know why they refuse to call me, but they dropped me a voicemail. As you can see, guys, this is the voicemail for WhatsApp for my verification code. So I'll go ahead and click on their voicemail and click on play. Okay, I will start my verification. 3 9 9 6 So guys, as you can see, my US WhatsApp is verifying. Oh my god, I created a US WhatsApp with this number. I can start my business name, any name I want to start. I can use any name, maybe Mark or Official Dream Life. Select the category in a business WhatsApp. By anything, you can put anything. As you can see, guys, it's easy and simple. WhatsApp refused to call me, but rather they dropped me a voicemail and I received the voicemail. Now I'm verifying my business WhatsApp. As you can see, I have my own business WhatsApp. Everything is intact right now. As you can see, guys, this is my business WhatsApp. This is my business WhatsApp. As you can see, I have a business WhatsApp. So I just want to try it, give it a try. It's easy. I use this particular number to get a business WhatsApp. This particular number to get a business WhatsApp. Let me show you the number. It's real, guys. As you can see, this is the number. This is the number. Lot of ads. This is the number and this is the number. You see, guys, it's the same, so it's not fake. You guys can get a US number for free without paying a dime to anybody, without paying a dime to any website. Guys, I want you guys to give it a try so that each one of you can get a US number you can use. Calling anybody, can make calls with it, any number, anywhere, any place. You can just check it out. Code. As you can see, there are a lot of country you can make call. You can call lot of country here. God, you just select the country you want to call with your US number and type the number. That is all. You're gonna call the person. If they wish to call you, receive your call. That's simple. That's easy, guys. I want you guys to give it a try. It's easy and simple. You don't have to pay anybody money to get a US number. Thank you. And please don't forget to give me the like, comments, and also subscribe. This video is made for all of you guys. I want you guys to support me on my channel. I need more likes and more subscribers on my channel. Thank you and have a blessed day.